In this video, we will compare two popular dash cams, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and the Miden X5 4K. Both devices promise advanced features such as night vision and GPS functionality, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's find out. When it comes to pricing, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is available for $55, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for essential dashcam features. On the other hand, the Miden X5 4K is priced at $59, offering additional features that may justify the higher cost. Let's explore if the extra investment is worth it. The Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K includes essential features such as WDR night vision, loop recording, and a G sensor for incident detection. In contrast, the Miden X5 4K boasts a more comprehensive feature set, including a 360-degree view, 3-channel recording, and a free 64GB SD card. These features could significantly enhance the user experience, especially for those who prioritize advanced functionality. In terms of performance, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers reliable recording quality with its 2K resolution and night vision capabilities. However, the Miden X5 4K stands out with its 2160p recording resolution, ensuring higher clarity and detail in captured footage. This performance difference could be crucial for users who need high-quality recordings for safety and evidence. In conclusion, both the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and Miden X5 4K offer unique advantages. The Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers, while the Miden X5 4K provides superior features and performance for those willing to invest a bit more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.